Okay, so the big news today is that the layout is now running, or at least the outer circuit is running, on Hornby's new elink BCC, and it seems to be running pretty well. It's running with the Railmaster software. This is at the moment my temporary layout. Hopefully I'm going to be getting tracks soon so that I can build the permanent layout with FlexiTrack rather than the set track which I have at the moment. The elink is controlling, as I said, just the outer circuit, and I've got two trains running on that. The two trains running on that are the Intercity 125 and the Bachmann Class 47. The 47 running with the chip which came with it when I bought it, not an original I don't think, and the 125 running with a Gauge Master DC 25 chip, which I bought at the same time as the elink. Everything's running pretty smoothly, and I'm surprised, having read the scare stories about how you have to make sure that the track has feeders every metre or couple of metres. It actually seems to be running quite well without much in the way of feeders. So, but when I get the permanent layout out, it will have feeders every couple of metres, just to make sure that the signal is perfect. There's a Voyager running on DC on the inner circuit. There's the 47 running around PCC. But that's just a quick update video of the railway before it gets renovated. Here's the 125. I'm also trying out this foam to put underneath the track, and then I'll stick it down when I put the layout in. Have a good day, more updates to follow hopefully.